So we know that Windows can search our files using criteria such as file name, date modify, and type. But what if we needed to find our files based on different properties? Maybe we want to find them by vendor. Maybe we want to use manufacturer ID or perhaps material. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS PDM can help us with this. With SOLIDWORKS PDM, we have the ability to use custom search forms, better known as search cards, that can be created for specific recurring search criteria by means of the metadata stored for each file. The system's advanced searching tool works seamlessly with Windows Explorer search features. You will be able to streamline product development cycles by allowing a user to search quickly for components that they may have already created in a previous project, and then reusing that part or document instead of creating a brand new one. And this is how SOLIDWORKS PDM can be used to save us time by adding to the Windows search capabilities.